You gonna do some smiles? Yeah. You talking? What's she saying?
I want my picture too.
Here.
Linda, if you take her and like lift her up, like straighten your arms up, usually she cracks a big smile.
What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? You're looking at the camera. I see you looking at the camera. Look at you. You know exactly what to do. What are you doing? What do you think? Remember we used to do that to your bellies and you guys would laugh? We used to do that to your bellies.
Do you need more to eat? Are you filming?
No. I've been instructed to make you laugh. What are you doing? What are you doing, pretty girl? Pretty girl. Ooh, you flying. Ooh, who's flying? Mwah. Who's flying? Who's flying? Mwah. Who's flying? Mwah. Who's flying? Where's my girl? Who's flying? Are you flying? Mwah. Were you flying? Yeah. Uh-huh. I heard a little. Yeah? What are you thinking? You got...
You know how the weed was frozen solid?
Yeah.
What's frozen solid?
I plugged it back in, now it's not frozen.
Oh, it's not?
It's on the red light, so that means it's off.
Okay. Okay.
But I don't know
What are you doing?
I think this time it'll work for sure.
You getting tired again, or you want to go see mommy?
She may just need to feel alone.
Yeah, she's like turning towards me as if I got something to give her.
Those only work on mommy. You try and eat off daddy too, don't you?
Listen, you used to bite Boomer.
I did?
No.
I think it's the other way. I think you got
You
confused.
didn't bite Boomer in the ass?
No, he bit me in the ass.
No, he didn't.
Bite
He
him in
bit
the
you on
ear.
the face.
Gotta bite him in the ear.
You could tell though that he realized he was wrong. I mean, Zachary came up behind him and was like, and Boomer had no idea.
Turned.
Yeah, and he scared the crap out of Boomer. But Boomer was too sensitive. They do that to Bella, and she's like, okay, whatever. Yeah.
So because of you, that dog was put where?
Well, don't say that.
Where was the dog put?
They said if it wouldn't work out, that they would take him back in a heartbeat, and that they would give him to another home. That's what they told us.
Like, he took things a little too seriously.
Oh, Boomer?
Yes.
Well, when you throw him against a wall.
You didn't throw it. I couldn't pick him up. He was like this big.
Boomer was not that big.
Yes, he was. Wasn't he like around this big?
He was bigger than Bella, but not much.
Yeah, he was like here.
He's a little bigger than
Are you kidding
Bella.
me? Oh wow, really?
You were a lot smaller.
It's because you were younger and
Yeah.
you weren't small.
Wow.
I didn't get to any of that pasta yet.
Oh, well,
Matt, where's your friend?
It's a good question.
That's a good question.
Yeah,
A bad
it's
answer.
He's in the emergency room right now.
JJ did that. Not JJ, what's your name?
Zach.
Zach, you got blood on my good shirt.
I'm sorry. Yeah, it matches.
Oh.
He's writing his own music. He's going to start chasing women soon.
Can I see? Can I hear you sing? Sing. Sing a song. Well, no, he said he was writing a song. So what's your song? Uncle Dennis is great. Uncle Dennis is great.
This is great.
Oh, God.
This is great.
Uncle Dennis is a
When
king.
you get angry with beating him at basketball.
Uncle Dennis talked to your girlfriend the other day, huh, on the phone?
What?
Remember I talked to your girlfriend?
Yeah.
His former girlfriend.
Is that where former comes from?
Is definitely going to make
What did she think? Your uncle was cool, right?
Yeah.
That's not the word I think she used.
Did she use another word?
No.
Did she use another word?
No, she did.
Okay. Where's my
I could say
daughter?
something, but it'd be weird.
Oh, she's eating there. She's eating again.
He's
child eats more than anybody. She's like Steven. This kid is gonna put me out of house and home. I'm gonna come and live in your
Anybody
shed.
about the Town Line auto bodies on it?
I'm gonna come and live in my shed.
I'm smaller than you, though.
Okay, what does that mean?
And I'm your brother.
Yeah, well, you're.
Oh, yeah. I like the Mickey Mouse.
In the beginning, I really missed it.
Hello.
But then you realize, yeah. And Joseph, you had to worry about because Steven used to do the same. We heard
So something
him
in the
talking so many
DNA,
times.
something in the genes.
Then he said, that's how it is. Eventually it's going to grow up and he said,
You won't do that anymore.
yeah, you won't do that anymore.
Tell the funny story when Matt was little. And we just had Zachary. And you get up throughout the middle of the night with the baby. And I guess Zachary woke him up, but we didn't know it. We got Zachary back to sleep. And then a while later I hear the TV. I'm like, what the heck is that? I go out. He's sleeping in the living room.
Oh.
Middle of the night, he got up, I guess, because Zachary woke him up, didn't come get us. He went out in the living room and started watching TV.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, but he was awake.
No, when I went out, he fell asleep. He was already sleeping. So, but the TV was on, and he was there, and he was sleeping.
I remember coming
to see
So what kind of was he in the bed then? He could get in.
What's
there?
that?
I have
He
a
was
picture
in
of
bed then,
Matthew in my arms.
Because he was 3 when Zachary
I was
was
born in
2
the
months. And he was in a car bed is what it was.
Loaded around.
Yeah.
And then Zachary inherited the car bed. And then we used it for like a play area after that for a while. I think it might still be in the attic, isn't it?
Certainly is.
That was a fun thing.
What are you trying, Josh?
I have no idea.
Some type of a vegetable chip.
No.
Tastes like a fried vegetable, right?
Yep.
Yep.
Tastes pretty good actually.
Really? I have to keep that on as a side note.
Guys, you starting to light them?
Oh, we didn't bring the matches down? Matthew, did you bring the matches?
Wasn't my job.
Yeah, it was. They said Matthew told us imagine that. I don't know about you, but these are, I think, it might be dry.
Guess I.
Is this dry? You know those are the tiny ones, right, Mom?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I know.
And I can't wait for that huge one.
Bring that one fell to its side.
That one is on its side. It's a little car.
Oh shit. Hit the deck!
Oh no, never mind.
That was kind of cool.
Freddie.
Hit the deck!
That one you lit the other one
That's
up.
not illegal.
That was neat.
You brought him that big wine. These are not illegal.
Setting off fireworks?
These
The
are
big
not
ones,
illegal.
the big ones are.
Yeah, these are not.
Yeah, the big, foot long ones. They blew free. You 43 kids?
Yeah. They usually help with bugs too.
Yeah.
Are you kidding?
They
Are
do.
you kidding me?
The smoke, I don't know. The smoke, the bugs stay away from it.
I think
Yeah,
the
they don't
humans
like
stay
smoke.
away from the smoke too, Mom.
Bugs don't like smoke.
Neither do humans. Yeah, I think that one's bad. That one's a...
Can you even see, babe?
Not anymore. He lights his foot on fire.
Matthew turns them off with the thing. It's a motion sensor.
Come on, we ought to let Matthew light a few of these. It is his birthday.
Have him like the big
He's
one.
almost legally able to light himself on fire.
Hey, where's the big one?
Ooh. No, that wasn't me.
Where's the big one?
It's over there, Zach. Be patient.
I don't see it.
Well, guess what? And the squirrel stole it.
Oh my god. Dude,
You're
look
having
at
a hard
that
time
thing.
with those matches.
That thing is gonna
Where you going?
explode.
Side.
That thing is gonna explode.
Yeah, I mean, it's just no. Woohoo!
How many thousands of dollars is it?
Oh,
1995.
1995.
Probably.
I think they saw it come home.
My freaking lord. Oh, looking shitty.
Stop.
Ready.
Probably just lasts longer. I don't think it's that different. Ma.
It's going around the box. We just got to another end of the box.
Oh, you Mac. You run that way out.
Ma.
Oh my god.
It's not over yet.
Oh, hurry up and get over here.
Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy.
Oh, Marcus. I'm going back home. Yeah, look at you. Look. That one's still lit.
Oh, no, Bonnie. What are you guys doing? Sticking your face over that.
That's cool.
That was
Got
cool.
one of those, that was it.
That was, hey. that was
How
the
much
box
was that one, hun?
I think like $6.
There you go.
That was the. I thought that was the box that the other ones came in.
I did. I figured it's off to the side. It was a box the other ones came in. It was, oh no, look what we've got. He breaks out this thing the size of a freaking laundry detergent box and lights it on fire.
Woo! Isn't that exciting, Dad?
If that sucker fell over, we'd be calling the fire department for your neighbors, man.
We wouldn't have any trees over here.